Sorry, can't do. You okay?
Tell me.
Girl, that was a failed attempt for me too, Coco. I am so sorry. I tried that, but as you can see, I have no strength in my arms whatsoever, and I collapsed when I tried to lift myself up. So with that, I am so sorry. But I attempted, and I so failed. So moving on to day 8. I did day 6, failed day 7. I'll do day 8. Peace out.